Rehabilitation is about empowering individuals.
Today, the National Union of Disabled Persons of Uganda, NUDIPU, in partnership with researchers at Kyambogo University, released a study report on the status of orthopedic rehabilitation centers in major public and private hospitals across the country. Orthopedics refers to medical treatment given to people with moving challenges.
Many persons who are becoming disabled at an adult age, and many mothers were finding challenges in where to seek rehabilitation services for their children who are born with their disabilities.
At the 2022 Global Disability Summit, government committed to boost orthopedic facilities and services for the disabled persons nationwide in line with the Disability Inclusion and Global Rehabilitation 2030 agenda. Considering findings stated in the report released today, it was discovered that the government did not follow through on its promise, with private hospitals applauded instead for providing standard services.
They have sufficient space, they have equipment, they try to maintain their equipment, and they have personnel, and they have rehabilitation aides, among others, who are supporting, and those are some of the things that are lacking in our rehabilitation facilities operated by government.
The lead researcher from Kyambogo University, Department of Community and Disability Studies, Caroline Mahoro, mentioned some of the challenges recorded across the visited facilities in Arua, Mbarara, Uguru, Rira, Mbare, among other hospitals, highlighting the lack of space, outdated equipment, and other factors negatively impacting the quality of orthopedic service given to patients.
The equipment in many of our facilities, we have old equipment. If you have got fairly new equipment, but the equipment is having issues when it comes to maintenance, we generally have a problem when it comes to maintenance. Many of us think that the moment you get an item, it is the end of the road. Most of this equipment survives when it's adequately maintained and in time.
The Chief Executive Director of NUDIPU, Esther Chozira, and Mahoro called for provision of a clear budget from government intended to cater for the welfare of the rehabilitation units that are currently struggling with limited supplies.
Because if we don't have a budget, then the rehabilitation centers will continue being more dilapidated with outdated equipment and with no human resource.
In the absence of supplies, it is as good as not having the facilities at all. Now, when it comes to the orthopedic workshop where assistive technology is produced, there is barely material supplied because they are not on a budget anywhere.
The officials also stated some recommendations that they suppose could be better the services given to patients who need orthopedic rehabilitation services, stressing the importance of the centers that they say need to be mainstreamed as general health care.
We also call upon government to continue training professionals because the demand is too much, and if everyone needs it, why can't it be part and parcel of the budgeting, of the programming and everything of the health services in the Ministry of Health. Then we also want to have an information management system which will keep the standards. Standards is always the challenge. Someone goes and gets a crutch which is going to break the next day or which is going to disable them the more.
The National Union of Disabled Persons of Uganda, NUDIPU, is an organization that advocates for the rights of persons with disabilities while seeking improvement of their livelihoods. The NUDIPU Advocacy Day is slated for tomorrow under the theme Food Security for All Regardless of Ability.
Kyambogo University.